Okay, so you have a 2018 Lincoln Navigator here. Steve and I are getting to do a rear brake job on it, so we wanted to show you how to put the rear brakes in a service mode so that you can work on the rear brake calipers and stuff like that and replace the pads. And then we'll also show you how to take it out of service mode when you're done your job. Okay, so you're going to want to hold the pedal all the way down. On the parking brake, push down, keep it held down. Steve, hit the key on. Key is on, and you're going to want to count 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Hit the key off. Hit the key on. My finger is still pressed on that button.
Brake light is flashing.
Hit the brake light is flashing, down released. Down below rather. All right, now we're in maintenance mode.
It shows on the symbol on the dash.
Yep.
And the light is flashing. So at this point, we can go and do our service brake work.
You want to shut the key off, and then it'll hold that. Okay, so once the key is back off, you can release the park brake button, and now you can start your service work on the rear brakes. So to take this off, you're going to hold your foot to the gas pedal again. You're going to lift up this time on the brake lever. Hit the key on. Then you're going to count 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Key off. And I'm still holding up on that lever. I have the park lever. I have been the whole time. Key on. Okay, I just let go of the parking brake and we're back in drive mode.
When you are putting it in the brake service mode, you will hear the motors on the calipers retracting, and the light flashes, so that you're going to hear that. So you're going to know that they're retracting, and it will give you the sign saying that it's in the brake mode for service maintenance mode.